Hi, my beautiful people. Today we're going to be making vegetable sauce for tacos. And I'm using chicken breast, and I'm using green beans, some garlic cloves, ginger, onions, carrot, tomatoes, and some bell peppers. And I'm using spring onions, sweet corn, kidney beans, taco spice, and olive oil. So now let's start cooking. I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil to my pan, heat it up a little bit, then fry my ginger and garlic, added my onions, and I'm going to fry this together for 2 minutes. Then I add my chicken breast, already diced. I diced them. Now I'm adding chicken spice, paprika powder, gonna give it a stir, curry powder, and I'm going to stir it together and let it cook. Then after that, I just added my tomatoes, added my carrot, my green beans. Your vegetables still need to be crunchy. I don't like it soft. Now I just added my kidney beans, the taco spice. It's a very easy dish, very easy. The sweet corn, the spring onions, everything is just going in. I give it a stir, cover the pot, let it cook for 2 minutes thereabout. Now I added my bell peppers. This food is so colorful and yummy, very delicious. Added a little bit of water to it and let it cook together for 3 minutes. Now I'm adding black pepper. I didn't add salt, no, stock cube, because the taco spice has a lot of salt in it and it's very sweet. So as that is busy, I'm going to be slicing some vegetable for my salad. Now my vegetable sauce is ready. Now I'm just putting the salad together. I use cabbage, carrot, red cherry tomatoes, and yellow cherry tomatoes. So I just put it all together, make it colorful to attract my kids. And I'm just going to add eggs to it, boiled eggs. You see that? This dish is so yummy, delicious, very attractive as well. Children love it. So now I add black pepper to my salad. Now I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon. You can use salad cream if you like. And feel free to adjust your vegetables as well. So my dinner is ready. This is it. It looks so colorful, so beautiful. Now we're going to try one of the tacos. Next video, I will show you how I make these tacos. It's so yummy. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.